Leland, at this point, legal experts say it's unclear how other cases such as same-sex marriage could play out in the future, but still some folks here in the LGBTQ plus community, like here at the Richmond Triangle Players, say they still feel a little bit on edge about it all. Across the rainbow intersection and under the vibrant flag sits an LGBTQ-focused theater in the heart of Scott's Addition, the Richmond Triangle Players.
I'd like to think that the stories we've been telling here for 30 years have helped Richmond become a more open, a more welcoming, and a more inclusive place.
While Executive Director Philip CROSBY says the shows that happen on this pink stage bring entertainment and joy, some members of the audience feel anything but right now.
I think there's concern at this point.
The concern stems from an opinion issued by Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas after a ruling giving states the power to make laws about abortion. In it, he suggests the court could take another look at decisions regarding other key issues like protections for same-sex marriages.
We've seen this before and we're going to see it again. So I guess the point being, I'm sorry if we have to fight that fight again.
I think it's very hard to say.
But UVA law professor NAOMI CAHN says the impact of Thomas's opinion remains unclear, and here's why. First, he only issued it on behalf of himself, and no other judge joined.
Often when a justice writes a concurrence, another justice will join.
Also, the majority opinion, penned by Justice Samuel Alito, distinguishes a major difference between abortion rights and other freedoms, because he says abortion deals with the termination of a potential life.
His opinion has language in several different places saying that in overruling Roe, that does not mean that other freedoms are also going to be restricted. There are many other Supreme Court opinions that at least Justice Thomas would call into question, and it remains to be seen what will happen with those other opinions that we have accepted as settled law.
Meanwhile, CROSBY says Virginians should use the recent ruling to advocate for changes they want to see on the state level.
Now that the decisions are back to the states, is we have to make sure that we have got a legislature in Virginia that is going to support what you want to have done.
And a reminder that same-sex marriage was legally recognized as a state here in Virginia back in 2014.